Hey there, KnowloFacts fans! Buckle up and explore the cool world of Towbar gadgets that can make your outdoor adventures and hauling tasks easier than ever. These must-see inventions are designed to add convenience, efficiency, and versatility to your towing experience. The Hitch N Sit is a smart seating solution that turns your vehicle into a portable tailgate lounge. It attaches to a standard 2-inch hitch receiver and comes in 2, 3, and 4-seat configurations with durable, commercial-grade stadium chairs. Each seat is spaced 20 inches apart and can be upgraded with armrests and cup holders for extra comfort. The quick-flip tailgate access adapter lets you open your tailgate without removing the seats, making it super convenient. Safety locks and stabilizers keep everything secure even while driving. With a load capacity of up to 1,130 pounds, it's perfect for tailgating, camping, and outdoor events. If you don't have a trailer but still want to take your bike on a trip, the MoTow motorcycle tow hitch is a great option. It's designed for one-person operation and lets you tow a motorcycle weighing up to 600 pounds. Made from durable stainless steel, it attaches to a standard 2-inch receiver and adjusts to hitch heights from 10 to 21 inches. The hitch lowers to the ground, making it easy to roll the rear wheel onto it before locking securely in place. Once attached, the system allows up to 150 degrees of pivot during turns, keeping the bike stable without leaning. If you want extra convenience, you can add a motorized lift to raise and lower the bike effortlessly. With safety straps and reflective flags included, this hitch makes motorcycle towing simple and secure. If you're into camping, you might find the Rubicon interesting. It houses a tent that sets up quickly without taking up space on your roof. The hitch tent rack system mounts to a standard 2-inch hitch receiver and stays vertical while you drive, reducing wind resistance. Once you reach your campsite, you can deploy it on uneven terrain using its adjustable legs, which provide about 12 inches of height adjustment. It works with most 2- and 3-person canvas rooftop tents and fits hitch receiver heights from 16.5 to 28 inches. If your vehicle sits lower, the Shorty Edition accommodates hitch heights as low as 10 inches. Built from tough steel and aluminum, it's designed for durability in rough conditions. The best part is that you can detach it and leave your tent set up while you take your vehicle on other adventures. The BlackBox Pro cargo carrier is a great way to expand your vehicle's storage without taking up space inside. It mounts to a standard 2-inch hitch receiver and offers an impressive 64 cubic feet of storage. Made from solid-walled steel with a black powder coat finish, it's built to handle tough conditions while keeping your gear secure. The carrier slides out up to 28 inches, making it easy to access SUV hatches, tailgates, and RV doors. It supports up to 305 pounds of cargo, while the total weight rating reaches 500 pounds. For safety, it comes with LED stop-and-turn lights, heavy-duty locks, and a waterproof cover with gas shock support. 2 silent hitch pins ensure a stable, noise-free connection while driving. Whether you're carrying bikes, luggage, or mobility equipment, this carrier makes transporting gear easier than ever. KOR-IT is well known for its versatile and efficient core drilling systems, like the EK1716G17 model. This gasoline-powered drill features a 17.5 horsepower engine with an electric start, making it reliable in different field conditions. It drills up to 16 inches in diameter and offers adjustable speeds from 300 to 1,500 revolutions per minute, ensuring flexibility for various tasks. The drill mounts easily to a standard 2-inch receiver hitch and includes a unique multi-jointed arm that can rotate 180 degrees, extending the drill head by around 36 inches for enhanced reach. The system's sturdy construction, with heavy-duty ground columns and precision components, ensures stability and improves drilling precision. Additionally, it is designed for fast setup and teardown by a single person, which boosts efficiency. Whether for road construction, utility work, or sample collecting, this high-performance drill is an excellent tool for any job site. This next upgrade is designed for tractors and makes moving heavy logs much easier. The T30 model, with its 2-wheel design, can carry up to 1.8 tons and handle logs up to 76 centimeters in diameter. If you need more capacity, the T36 model steps it up with a 2.7-ton payload and can transport logs as wide as 91 centimeters. Both models come with a powerful 2-speed hand winch, making it easy to lift and fully suspend logs for smooth transport. They attach to a standard 2-inch ball hitch, so you can tow them with a tractor, pickup truck, or ATV. The smart weight distribution keeps logs balanced over the wheels, reducing strain on your vehicle. For added control on steep terrain, you can equip them with optional 12-volt electric brakes. Whether you're working in forestry or clearing land, these tractor arches are built to handle tough jobs. J-Tech has designed a safety upgrade for highway work that makes setting up cones and signage much easier. The Safety Hitch Mount safety basket attaches to a standard hitch and provides a stable, secure workspace for personnel. Made from lightweight aluminum, it measures 78 inches wide and can support up to 350 pounds. It comes with a built-in towing receiver that can handle up to 1,300 pounds, making it great for transporting aero boards or trailers. Adjustable jacks and steel outriggers allow for quick setup by just one person. The basket also includes a 2-position height adjustment to match different work conditions. Safety is a priority with a non-skid floor, high-visibility bars, and integrated lighting for night operations. Whether for road maintenance or construction zones, this system enhances both safety and efficiency. Meet another cool towing gadget built for heavy-duty hauling, the Shocker HD Max Black Air Receiver Hitch. It's designed to handle massive loads with a towing capacity of 20,000 pounds and a tongue weight of up to 2,000 pounds. What makes it stand out is its air ride technology, which uses an airbag system to absorb road shocks and reduce trailer bounce. It also features 8 adjustment holes, allowing for a drop range between 3.5 inches to 7.5 inches, so it works with different trailer heights. The Clevis pin system includes a 1.25-inch hole and a 3.25-inch inside channel width for easy attachment. Built from tough materials and coated in black powder for durability, it's made to last. Whether you're hauling a skid steer, mini excavator, or other heavy equipment, this hitch provides a smoother, safer towing experience. If you need strength, flexibility, and comfort in your towing setup, this one's a solid choice. The Tailgate N Go is a must-have for anyone who loves outdoor cooking and tailgating. This portable kitchen and dry box is made from durable aluminum, keeping it lightweight yet tough enough for any adventure. The full-size version measures 46 inches long and fits perfectly between standard truck wheel wells, weighing approximately 75 pounds. It includes 2 cutting boards, a built-in paper towel holder, and compartments for spices and dry storage. There's also a knife magnet, a bottle opener, and a storage net inside the lid for extra convenience. If you want something smaller, the Overlander model offers the same great features in a more compact size. Both models are proudly made in the USA and come in customizable colors. Whether you're camping, hunting, or just grilling on game day, this setup makes outdoor cooking easier than ever. AirTow has developed a trailer that makes transporting heavy equipment safer and easier. What makes these trailers special is their ability to lower completely to the ground, allowing you to load and unload without the need for ramps. The deck stays level, preventing equipment from tipping or shifting during transport. The UT1412 model can carry up to 12,000 pounds and has a wide 75-inch deck, making it perfect for skid steers, scissor lifts, and other heavy machinery. Its fenderless design keeps the wheels inside the frame, ensuring better stability and compliance with state regulations. Swing arm axles and rubber suspension absorb shocks, creating a smoother towing experience. A lockable power compartment houses the hydraulic system, battery, and controls for added security. Whether you're in construction, landscaping, or equipment rental, this trailer is built to handle tough jobs with ease. If you love relaxing outdoors but don't want to rely on trees, the McLean Metalworks hammock mount is a perfect solution. It attaches to a standard 2-inch vehicle hitch and sets up quickly, making it great for camping, tailgating, or beach trips. Built with durable materials, it supports up to 300 pounds, ensuring a stable and comfortable lounging experience. The original hammock mount features a folding and telescoping design, extending up to 114 inches while remaining compact for easy storage. It comes with a premium powder-coated finish for extra durability. If you want more flexibility, you can add the tire stand, which allows you to mount the hammock to your vehicle's tire. Whether you're out in the desert, at a festival, or just enjoying the outdoors, this mount offers a hassle-free way to relax. If you need to lift heavy materials without permanently modifying your truck, the ViperLift V1000 is a great solution. This pickup truck crane attaches directly to a standard 2-inch receiver hitch, making installation quick and easy. It has a lifting capacity of up to 1,000 pounds, allowing you to handle a wide range of heavy loads. The over-center motion design ensures smooth and controlled lifting and lowering, preventing sudden drops or instability. Built from durable materials, it's designed to withstand rigorous use while remaining portable and easy to detach when not needed. Whether you're working in construction, landscaping, or hauling equipment, this lift offers a convenient and reliable way to move heavy items. With its simple setup and strong lifting power, it's a must-have tool for truck owners. The Jameson J-Lift is a hitch-mounted reel lift designed for easy cable reel handling without the need for a trailer. It can accommodate reels up to 40 inches wide and 48 inches in diameter, with a maximum lifting capacity of 1,000 pounds. The unit measures 45 inches in length, 28 inches in width, and 30 inches in height, weighing around 293 pounds. Powered by a 12-volt DC dual-action hydraulic pump, it features a corded remote control for precise operation. It mounts directly to a service body pintle plate or slides into a square hitch receiver with a Class 4 hitch. The J-Lift also includes a powder-coated finish for durability, dual jacks for stability, and an optional light kit for better visibility. This compact design makes it ideal for maneuvering in tight spaces like parking decks and drive-thrus. This is an advanced salt spreader that comes with a half-horsepower motor, making it highly efficient for spreading rock salt and sand. The Meyer Blaster Tailgate Spreader features a durable polyethylene hopper with a 12.8 cubic feet capacity, allowing it to hold up to 750 pounds of material. It has a variable spread width ranging from 3 to 40 feet, giving users precise control over distribution. The spreader mounts easily to a standard 2-inch receiver hitch and is compatible with half-ton and larger trucks, as well as tractors with a 3-point hitch. It includes an illuminated in-cab controller with blast and vibrate modes for convenience. A patented brush auger prevents material leakage, while a stainless steel spinner ensures durability. This reliable and high-performance spreader is built for tough winter conditions. The TowBrolly is an innovative automotive shade solution designed to provide quick and easy shelter for outdoor activities. It attaches to any vehicle equipped with a standard tow ball, allowing users to set up shade wherever they park. The system features a 3-meter round umbrella with a lightweight crank handle and a 16 fiberglass ribbed canopy, offering SPF 50+ protection. Constructed with quality steel and powder-coated for durability, the TowBrolly is perfect for camping, beach outings, picnics, and outdoor events. Its fully adjustable design ensures it fits all vehicles with a standard tow ball, providing a versatile and convenient shade solution. That's all for today, friends. Which gadgets impressed you most? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us next time for more amazing tools and gadgets. See you soon!